This presentation is to demonstrate the collaboration between Holton Housing, Site Desk Limited and Leeds Beckett University. The paper was submitted based on our findings while investigating the best way to manage fire safety and compliance in our existing building stock. We investigate the use of BIM, digital twins and asset management, discussing the advantages these can bring to the management life cycles of built structures. The title is Strategic Management of Assets and Compliance through the Application of BIM and Digital Twins, a platform for innovation in building management. BIM, Building Information Modelling, is an intelligent 3D model-based process that gives asset managers the insight and tools to manage buildings and associated infrastructure more efficiently. BIM is proven to be the biggest disruptor that anyone in the current architecture, engineering or construction industry has ever seen. It is driving the curve of innovation, and by using the ideas prevalent in the construction industry, we can demonstrate the process of improvement for managing our existing building stock. This allows us to evidence and document our health and safety compliance in line with current legislation. In summary, BIM, or Building Information Modelling, is a 3D system that allows you to construct a virtual computer-based digital model that contains all the information relevant to the construction of the building. By adding in live data into the model, we can create what's called a digital twin. A digital twin gives us the ability to visualise, troubleshoot and coordinate how a building will be formed before a shovel has even been put in the ground. It allows teams to collaborate and work together in a virtual world, rectifying potential costly mistakes and modifying design features before the project is started. Buildings are getting more complex and demands on schedule and budget are getting higher. The lifetime costs of maintenance can be up to 80% of the build costs. Think of BIM as a measure twice, cut once for an entire building project. BIM is also the industry standard model to deliver insights on how a building will perform once built. It manages performance and asset life cycles. These processes are well established in new buildings, but older buildings are not maintained, refurbished or deconstructed using this method. The benefits of efficiency, resource management and compliance that are now evident in new builds are what we want to achieve in our current stock. Creating a real-life digital twin model can overcome uncertainties of building condition and highlight deficient documentation that is prevalent in older buildings. Due to complex built forms and increasing legislative pressure from government or multiple occupancy buildings, a state-of-the-art overview with an easy-to-use visualisation of compliance and accountability is required for our existing building stock. Our initial focus was on fire safety and compliance. This can be achieved using a BIM system linked to a centralised asset management platform accessible by all stakeholders to hold one version of the truth. We found whilst collating this information for this project that the existing systems of building management are antiquated and a truly modern, intuitive building and asset management system was required. There is a proportion of our industry saying, but that's the way we've always done it. That's what we're trying to change. Holton Housing is a truly innovative business, and with the help of Site Desk and Leeds Beckett University, we are accelerating and demonstrating what is possible whilst clearly showing the benefits to all involved. Using the latest technology, we have demonstrated the ability to provide accurate models and renderings and host them into an easy to access platform. We have linked important compliance information with data sheets, maintenance records, plotted on a scaled rendering of the building. This has shown us that with expansion we can create something that is not only visually stunning but immensely practical. We can expand this by using photogrammetry, modelling from pictures, and utilising the latest technologies in laser scanning. We can create full building 3D walkthroughs. We can put customers, maintenance teams and stakeholders right in the building without leaving their desk. We can demonstrate how building assets are used and visualise how they interact with each other. Millions of digitally captured points can be put into a model and can be used to verify and document our existing assets. Visualisations are inherently easier to understand and intuitive, making working with buildings easier. rather than using complex diagrams and drawings that can be misinterpreted. But if you like complex diagrams and drawings, they can still be there as well. BIM takes the digital and improves the building of the physical using enhanced visualization. It can also put the physical into the digital twin, and allow us to make our mistakes there. With digital modelling, you can test the cause and effects without disruption to the people that live in these buildings. It also allows us to test change and truly understand the outcomes before committing. With this technology, people can work remotely. There is no more oops, I need to go back and take another measurement, or I can't remember the model number, when was that last checked? All this information can be right at your fingertips on any portable device. We can show service records, links, safety certificates, create alerts in real time using the latest IoT connected assets. A building has a lot that must be audited and checked. Knowing this information means we can manage our workforce to make sure they turn up with the right parts at the right time, improving first time fixes and customer satisfaction. We know this cannot be done overnight, so we went with the start small and scale fast methodology. All of this is possible right now using off-the-shelf products, and it can be pieced together using an industry standard integrator. Having a good solid data set and the ability to connect separate systems and understanding the importance and benefits of linking them all together is what is special. This project has shown our sector, and most importantly the business stakeholders, the vision of the future, enabling us to think big, bringing the small parts together. We've laid the foundations to show what is possible, utilising our data to make quicker and better informed decisions. With the addition of automation and ease of access to critical data means that all parties that require information can get it easily when they need it most. And this gives us more time. What are we going to do with more time? Well, we're a socially responsible landlord, of course, so we're going to spend it with our customers, listening and improving what matters to them most. What we have achieved with our straightforward demonstration and research into this product and topic is that everything previously mentioned is possible and not that hard to do. And the financial and time savings can be substantial and is also a positive effect on the well-being of our staff and customers. Thank you for listening.